This is the Apple Watch Series 11, and Apple says it's the most refined smartwatch they've ever made. But here's the thing, after wearing this basically non-stop for over a week, I realized something they don't really spell out in the ads. This isn't a flashy reinvention, it's a quiet, confidence-level upgrade. So the real question is that enough to make it worth your hard-earned cash? Apple Watch Series 11 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Apple Watch Series 11, Apple's latest flagship smartwatch released in late 2026. It sits right between the Apple Watch SE and the Ultra line, and it's aimed squarely at everyday users, people who want great health tracking, smooth performance, and tight iPhone integration without wearing a rugged brick on their wrist. The big selling point this year isn't one headline feature, it's refinement. Better performance, smarter health insights, and a watch that feels more invisible in daily life. Pricing starts around $399, depending on size and connectivity. Apple Watch Series 11 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Short answer, fast, smooth, and extremely reliable. The new chip inside the Series 11 makes everyday interactions feel effortless. Apps open instantly, animations are buttery smooth, and I never once felt lag, even when jumping between workouts, music controls, and notifications. In real life, that matters more than benchmarks. I was using this for everything from quick replies while walking, to tracking workouts, to controlling smart home stuff, and it just kept up. Siri responses are noticeably quicker too, especially for on-device requests like starting a timer or logging a workout. What surprised me most is how consistent it feels. No random stutters, no hiccups after a long day. It's one of those products where you stop thinking about performance entirely, and honestly, that's the highest compliment for a smartwatch. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, and more importantly, why you should care. First up, health tracking. Apple continues to lead here. You've got heart rate monitoring, ECG, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, and improved trend analysis in watchOS. The benefit? It's not just data, it's context. You're more likely to notice changes over time, not just random numbers. Second, watchOS refinements. Things like smarter widgets and better notifications mean less tapping and more glanceable info. That sounds small, but it adds up when you're checking your wrist dozens of times a day. Third, fitness tracking accuracy. From outdoor runs to strength training, metrics feel spot on. Auto detection works better, and workout summaries are clearer and more motivating. Design and build. Aesthetically, Apple didn't reinvent the wheel, and that's fine. The Apple Watch Series 11 keeps the familiar Apple Watch design with subtle refinements. It's slim, lightweight, and extremely comfortable, even for all-day wear and sleep tracking. The materials still feel premium, especially the stainless steel option, and the display remains one of the best in the business, bright, sharp, and easy to read outdoors. The curved edges blend into the case nicely, making it feel less like a gadget and more like jewelry. It's not bold, but it's timeless, and that's kind of the point. Battery life. Battery life is good, not revolutionary. You're still looking at about a full day of use with notifications, workouts, and sleep tracking. I typically ended the day around 25 to 30%, which is consistent with previous models. The upside is fast, reliable charging. Toss it on the charger while you shower or get ready in the morning, and you're good to go. Would I love 2-day battery life? Absolutely. But in practice, the charging routine is predictable and manageable, especially if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Pros. Incredibly smooth, reliable performance. Best-in-class health and fitness tracking. Seamless iPhone integration that just works. Cons. Battery life is still only 1 day. Limited appeal if you're not an iPhone user. Final verdict. So, who is the Apple Watch Series 11 actually for, and is it worth it? Look, if you're an iPhone user who wants the most polished, dependable smartwatch experience out there, this is an easy recommendation. It doesn't try to shock you, it tries to support you, and it does that really well. If you're coming from a Series 6 or older, the upgrade makes a lot of sense. You'll feel the speed, appreciate the health insights, and enjoy the overall smoothness. But if you're on a Series 9 or 10, this is more of a nice-to-have than a must upgrade.